Block Blast Tips and Tricks. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial for Block Blast Tips and Tricks. First, you need to make sure that you understand the basics. The main objective is to fill rows or columns with blocks to clear them. And the game ends when you can no longer place blocks on the grid. So, plan your moves for playing the game. Always think ahead and plan where to place the blocks. Focus on creating multiple clearances, also known as the combo moves, by filling rows and columns simultaneously. Also make sure to save space for larger blocks. Avoid filling spaces randomly, especially near the middle of the board. Leave room for larger blocks like 3x3 square, which can be hard to place if you are not careful. Ensure to prioritize clearing rows and columns. Clear rows and columns as quickly as possible to create more space. The more space you have, the easier it is to place new blocks. Also, work from the edges. Start placing blocks along the edges or corners of the grid. This helps keep the center open for more flexible moves. Also, build combos. Try to line up multiple rows and columns for a combo. Clearing more than one line at a time gives higher scores and extra satisfaction. And if your game includes power-ups like bomb blocks or row clearing tools, save them for moments when you are stuck or running out of space. And prevent leaving isolated gaps on the board, as these can make it harder to place future blocks. And the more you play, the better you'll get at visualizing how pieces fit together, and also learn from your mistakes and improve your strategy over time. So, this was about Block Blast tips and tricks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.